There used to be a summer without the smoke of 1,000 forests on fire. There used to be a thunderstorm without a hurricane, and a river without a flood. There used to be people who believed the earth was divinely designed to provide. For a long time, the earth was able to give us everything we needed. Some fought to stop the destruction, but others couldn't see the point of a landscape not meant to be consumed. They thought people fought for trees for the sake of the trees alone. You might have thought the agency of post-liminary affairs was a cult or a hoax when you first heard of it. You were probably told so by well-meaning people who wanted to keep you grounded in the reality of the world. It's silly to imagine a future that might be better than this. How can you even imagine when all you've known is decline and destruction? When you found your way through the doors of the agency, you were told what they hoped to accomplish. They seemed well-informed and optimistic, even as they explained the unlikely ways it could all go wrong. They said the future could be deferred rather than destroyed. So here you are in your own pod, on your way to an indeterminately deferred future. You are here to decide what your future will be. The Agency of Post-Liminary Affairs is pleased to offer two different futures. A future that is either on Earth or a habitable planet in another star system. You may have always felt your future was determined, and you were on a path you could not control. But now you can choose. You have the control to construct your future the way you hope it could be. You can dream of blue skies and fresh water and shade under trees, now that you've been given a way to get there. Good night.